Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. We're going to do our final update of the MECO emergency radio. And what I was able to get done yesterday was I was able to charge the radio using the little tiny solar panel on the top of the radio, and I charged it for 4 hours. It was in a window. We had good sunlight for 4 hours, so I did that, and then I turned the radio on, medium volume, and it played for 15 minutes and then shut off. So that's the results of that test. To answer a question I got was, will the radio charge if it's heavily overcast? Which would be typical if you're in an emergency situation where you got bad weather. And the answer is a definitely no. The charge light, I did that this morning because it's heavily overcast this morning, and the charge light never came on. So I assume it's not charging. So that's it. If you have any more questions about this MECO emergency radio or any other questions, please leave me a comment or send me an email to TRRS73 at gmail.com. Bye-bye.